Hey everybody, so I have another Guess What's in the Box video. This is a Summit Racing's box from Summit Racing, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching and playing along. Hey everybody, alright, so this is a box from Summit Racing and Power Sports Place. That's what it says on it. I think Summit Racing just bought out Power Sports Place, because all the boxes I've gotten before today only said Summit Racing on them. Summit Racing equipment. So we're going to measure this box. It's just another Guess What's in the Box video. It is 11 inches exactly long by 9 inches and 1/4 of an inch wide by 3 3/4 of inches tall. What do you guys think is in the box? You know, this is not going to be a huge long video or anything like that. Just a quick Guess What's in the Box video. It is a part of another video. This is the second part. Just to give you guys a hint of the most recent video I've done on Summit Racing. Hopefully that helps. Gives you guys an idea what it is. If you guys guess correctly, I will be providing a wrench trench garage sticker as well as a Olsa tool sticker. I appreciate you guys watching and hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the very top of the description, I also do have a Olsa Tools link. If you guys need anything from Olsa Tools, you click on my link and it will give you 10% off your order. As well as it will kick me back availability of 10% on my next order. And, you know, it saves you some money if you guys get a bunch of stuff. You know, 10% does go a long ways if you're getting a bunch of stuff. You know, and use the link, save some money. You know, use the money you saved on buying some beer or, you know, providing food to your family. I do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, as always. And hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!